everybody, this is Nora, and I wanted to dedicate a video to these 3 stamping polishes right here from Beauty Big Bang. So I'm going to go ahead and do some designs using, of course, their stamping plates. The 2 that I'm going to use is this one, Beauty Big Bang 05, and then Beauty Big Bang 06, so 5 and 6. And for base colors, I am going to use, I have these 3 Zoya polishes right here. The green one, the green one is called Ireland. This white shimmer, this is more like a topper, but I'm going to use it as a base. This is Leah. And the lilac, it's called Julie. So let's get to it. Okay guys, here I am trying to show you with the different lighting the pretty shimmer on this polish right here. This is Leah from Zoya, and it doesn't look like the camera is picking up the pink shimmer, but it has everything what I'm seeing coming up on the viewfinder as white. This is right here, it's really a beautiful pink shimmer. So it's almost like it has some duochrome shimmers in there, but it's a beautiful base, and I am going to stamp some pink snowflakes over this. My pinky I already done with what was left over from my index finger. I just did it off camera. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but yeah, what was left over from the bottom of the stamp on my initial stamping, I went ahead and put it in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up around my cuticle, guys, but I wanted to show you, this is my acetone, pump, and yes, I know we could use latex, but sometimes we get lazy. I'm one of those. And I'm going to go ahead and see this. Let me zoom you out. I'm a little too close here. Anyway, this is a moisturizer that I got from Lillian's Gardens quite some time ago. I'm going to say probably last fall or I think the year before. And what I do, and since this is, as you guys have seen these, when you pump this, the dish, this right here, the top, it holds some of the acetone there, and before I dip my brush, I put 2 to 3 drops depending on how much acetone I have in here. So I'm adding moisturizer to my acetone so that when I wet my brush and I clean my cuticles, it does not leave that dry residue or that dryness on my skin, making it easier for me to have a better look for pictures afterwards. Okay, because sometimes I cannot go right away with lotion or cream or oils if my manicure is still somewhat wet, or sometimes the oil will dull your top coat, and that's not good for pictures. So yes, I use this, and my skin still looks nice and moisturized, and it doesn't look awful for pictures, but that's just a little secret of mine that I wanted to share with you guys. And let's move on to the next tutorial, and we'll finish with shots at the end of all these manis. Okay, so for the green, I am going to go with this image right here of these deers and some trees. one thing that I want you guys to notice here as you see me doing the cleanup with pure acetone and a little bit of that moisturizer that I show you. Notice how the polish, this stamping polish, it's not staining my skin. Okay, and I have done it, I've cleaned it up with pure acetone, and I have not had it stain my skin. So for it being a very concentrated stamping polish, it does not stain your skin like some other very good ones that we had, but they are known to stain your skin the second you put acetone to them. And also, if I've not mentioned it before on some of my previous videos, these polishes very pigmented for stamping and do not have that strong or any strong scent coming from them. Okay, you got to stick your nose to that bottle, to the brush, to really smell, and what you smell is just the your normal polish scent. But these do not have any strong scent whatsoever, and as you can see, do not leave any stain on your skin. And this is a green. Greens are very they could be very bad for staining. So I'm going to top coat this and finish it off. Okay guys, there you saw me peel off that last mani. That was the second one that I have done with the green color. My first one, I already had a clear base that I had from yesterday. The second one I removed it without, I needed acetone. For the second one I decided to go with the latex base so that I can peel it off. Now that I'm doing this third one, and this one I'm going, my base is, this is Julie from Zoya. I am going back with my clear base coat, yellow stopper. So this one I will keep overnight before I remove it, and I'll just use acetone tomorrow. So I use the peel off base coat, or the peel off latex of on my nails in the in between mani. And this one, just like the others, will be a 2-coater. And if you're wondering about my peel off base coat, latex base coat, is this one by Cuticola, and the scent is, this is the huckleberry peel off base coat. I'll leave a link down below in the description bar if you guys are curious about this. Let's go on with the second coat for Julie. Okay, for the lilac, I'm going to go with this sweater, knit sweater image right here. I don't think I've ever used that one yet. With all the samples that I've done with these plates, I think that was one that I totally skipped. So here's the lilac stamping polish. And now after I've stamped it, I do remember using that once before, and it was for the video where I used the glow-in-the-dark powder. Yep, I remember now. I think I'm going to do this one here, my pinky, since I spread the polish all the way down. guys, so here is the last mani. I decided to keep this one with the lilac. What do you guys think? I'd like to thank you for hanging out with me and doing all these swatches on these beautiful stamping polishes that they all work so well. Very, very impressed with the quality of these polishes. Love, 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 love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of swatching these beautiful stamping polishes from Beauty Big Bang. I am going to leave you with some reveal shots at the end. Remember, if you're interested in these, I am going to have direct links down in the description bar below, and you may apply my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount on these or any other polishes or items from Beauty Big Bang, so don't forget about that. I'll have that in the description bar below as well. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these polishes to play with and review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.